Okay, so here we are again. Um, this afternoon I will be using three commands. No, uh, we're going to try to make an extrusion with path. This is a very useful tool where you can, for instance, you use it to make gutters or moldings or even furnitures. No, okay, but let's go to the 3D modeling view first. So like I said, again, you go to your workspace switching, go back to 3D basics. And again, I'm just going to pull this up so that you may be able to see the commands that I'm typing. Okay, so here we are again. I'm going to make the viewports double again, two verticals, so that I can have my plan here and my 3D here. So I'm just gonna set this up into an isometric view. Okay, so like I said, we're going to try to make a 3D extrusion but going in a path. So this is what I mean. Okay, we're going to try to make a table. Okay, so first I'm going to make a circle. C, enter. Just click my center. Maybe I want the diameter to be maybe 100. Okay, where is it? Okay, so there's the 100 diameter circle. Okay, for the sake of this instruction, I'm just going to make two of them. Okay, like that. Okay, this one will be for my flat surface, and this one will be for my extrusion with path. Okay, so here I'm going to give this circle a thickness, maybe 100 mm thickness. Okay, just going to go here and make it shaded. So extrude, basic extrude command, enter. Click this, then enter, and then drop down. I will just say 100. I'm sorry, again. Extrude, there's maybe just 10, just for the sake of instruction. Okay, 10. Okay. Now here I'm going to make the goal here is I'm going to make something in this edge, to make it more the surface with put some sort of a design in this surface. Okay, so using this command, I will be using at least just three commands. Well, just two commands now. I will be using the extrude with path command, and I will show you how to use 3D rotate command. Okay, so let's start here. Okay, I always find it easier manipulating a circular drawing if I turn on the quadrant. Okay, so just for the sake of instruction, maybe you can turn this off, turn this on also in your snap settings. Okay, so I'm going to start. I'm going to create a sort of like a molding shape. Okay, so we'll start with polyline. Okay, so the thickness of the circular surface over there was it 10? Okay, so I'm going to make this 10. Okay, so I'm just going to do a bit of a freestyle design here. Oh, I'm sorry, again. Okay, 10, 5, okay, maybe 5, 2, 3, 2, then I'm just gonna try to close it up like that. Okay, so fillet radius 0. Okay, just gonna fillet this. I'm gonna put some curves in this parts over here so that so that there would be some sort of like a curving surface when we do the extrusion. Okay, so if you remember your fillet command, all you need to do is F, enter. Okay, now you need a radius, so R, enter. I'm just going to try maybe 5. Okay, 5 ang radius ko. Okay, wow, it's too big. Okay, fine. Okay, another one, fillet, enter, radius, enter, maybe just 2. Fillet, enter, radius, enter, 2. Fillet, enter, radius, enter, 1. Okay. Make 5. Okay, so let's say this is the shape that I want to make, no? Okay, so the next command that we're going to use is the 3D rotate command. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That is what we call a profile. Okay, so if I'm going to, the goal here is I'm going to try to make it stand up. Okay, in a 3D view, I'm going to make it stand up. Okay, so we'll click this. The command is 3D RO. That's for 3D rotate. So 3D RO, enter, and you see that this thing over here now. So if I click the edge of this profile, it will transfer there. Now, if you're not savvy, you need to do trial and errors, no? So if I want to make this stand up, I'm going to click the green circle, click it, drag up, then I'm going to drag in the horizontal surface. As you can see, it stood up. Okay, and you cannot see it anymore in the plan view because it stood up. No, you can see the top part, which is like that. Okay, now I'm going to make it face the horizontal view again. I'm going to click it, 3D RO, enter. Okay, just going to click it here. Okay, now I'm going to click the blue line and then drag it and then click. I always find it easier to do 3D rotation with my ortho on. Okay, but you can always turn it off if you want. Okay, so I want to extrude this, no? So if you could click extrude, EXT, enter. If I click this, enter, the regular extrusion would be like that. Okay, but if I extrude, EXT, enter, click it, enter, and I choose path, and then I will choose the path where I want it to go around, it would become something like that. Now I am free to put it on my surface, and if I want it to look more realistic, I would just unionize it, UNION, enter, and they are now a single element. Let's see what it looks like in realistic view. See, that's how it looks like. It's a very useful tool, guys. Huh? Okay, so that's how you do the extrusion with path. Cheers.